Dude, why these DJ stickers don't even fucking stick?
You know you really fucked up bad when you told me I can't do it. Stick stones breaking my bones, I played through it. People telling me I got away with the words, I got away with killing these motherfuckers. I'm Ray Lewis. Play that line back, dissecting that dime sack. I got it from the block, this diesel is prime shack. I told you I ain't passing that shit, I'm young Kobe. I'll catch you off guard, on guard, I'm unholy. The one and only, I'm a lot different. Script flipping, John Grisham, how I'm plot twisting. I pull the whole city out, I got the block listening. I pull up with the titties out, I got the top missing. It's non-fiction. True or false, read through it and it's all non-fiction. True or false, I'm the truth, so it's all non-fiction. Yeah. True or false, read through it and it's all non-fiction. Yeah. Hey, I'm the truth, I'm the truth. I could buy it, but it's just a rental. It's not a good investment. Being bad with your money is being good at flexing. They always chasing a bag, I guess they couldn't catch it. They tryna be like me, but it's not a good impression. I used to get on instrumentals just to get it out my mental. I was handing out my demos and they wouldn't check it. They told me I never make it, but now they get the message. That's important information, so I wouldn't text it. They wanna get a reply, they want screenshots, but they won't get a response, not even 3 dots. These sheep talk, no lying, they throwing cheap shots. I had to cut some people off, I had to detox. I keep talking in my head, I got deep thoughts. On the steps where me and Navy did the beatbox. Been old school like Reeboks with knee socks. Corbin know I fuck 'em up when the beat drops. I'm coming back more level-headed. Sleep a little better off the edible devil lettuce. I could do that fast rap shit, I could Eminem it. But honestly, I'm past that shit like I hit a limit. Thanks for giving your opinion, I didn't ask for it. I don't need your 2 cents, I got the cash for it. I don't think I'll make it to 40, let's fast forward. I just couldn't stop smoking like I'm Flash Gordon. It's non-fiction. Hey, true or false, read through it and it's all non-fiction. Yeah. True or false, I'm the truth, so it's all non-fiction. Hey, true or false, read through it and it's all non-fiction. Say I'm the truth, I'm the truth.
I got the recipe, cook it up.
Made it because I ride a Honda.
Shit. Don't even edit that shit, just leave that shit like that. Just leave it like that. I guess I'm gonna mix it anyway, so I'm just gonna leave it.